can find it. But it's fine. I even changed my profile picture. I like that picture, to be honest with you. It looks really good. It goes really well with my name. What do I want to use? MG3. M240B. I think I'll go with this one. Excuse me. Oh, what wave are they on? 5. Okay. They're 5. Yeah. Oh, look at Mr. Flibby. He's level 3088. He is 84 and 1. I like how I'm pretty sure I was the first one to get in the spot where every fucking body goes to now. Behind the toilet. In the bathroom. Jesus.
This guy probably has like a full year's worth of time in this game.
Most likely.
Yeah.
Maybe longer than that.
I played it like fucking 2 months ago somehow.
Yeah, I don't need notes. Let's go with that. No, I don't really need it. Picked I'll let him have that location. I don't care.
Yeah, I'm down in the front running around.
Yeah.
See how this goes at wave 6.
Going hit up about what the
I couldn't save him. Damn, I tried.
I had 3 bullets left in that fucking
God damn it.
100-round mag.
Really, dude? You ain't gonna shoot him? Really? Graver? I hope he fucking dies.
Might. Yeah.
He's high enough level, he has another guy right there beside him shooting at him.
I found a different gun I liked on Battlefield.
What now?
A different gun on Battlefield. The Lewis gun.
Oh yeah, that thing's pretty good for support.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty good. Pretty good. I used it when I play support.
I like it. Oh, I'm dead.
Yep.
My character couldn't move fast enough. Where did he explode?
Behind me somehow. I gotta drop through a wall, so I feel bad.
Well, no, I don't feel bad. I just didn't see his body or any type of explosion anywhere. That's why I was wondering where he exploded at.
I'll be behind you.
Yeah. And it is.
I'm changing guns.
Change gun. I wanna change sights. There we go. Phone! I need you to stone somewhere. Actually, get on the charger. Let's go ahead and charge you, phone. gracious. No, someone's dropped the phone. Oh. Shit.
I've been looking up sites and stuff for like rifles. You know how much an Ecotech site is?
I said a couple hundred.
300-400?
That was close.
Which is the holographic site.
Alright. Can't you just make
Yeah.
that yourself with some sticks? Jesus.
No. You can buy a cheap one, I guess, but the cheap ones ain't made out of the same material. I watched torture tests on them, they just break and crack.
Oh, okay.
Like, even if they broke the screen, the original one still, you can shoot with it. I'm like, that's crazy. Dude, what the fuck? Okay, whatever, dude. Window up to your left. You can't see it from your right. This guy just staring at you for it.
I'm dead. God fucking, I knew I should have reloaded earlier. Ah. He had to, okay, I was about to say he had to see that man. Him and Bean flicking barista flicking. Oh, he's using RPK. That's just him. Oh no. Barista, that was a grenade.
Oh, dude, if you got the X-ray version on, when you're like watching people, you see them throw grenades, they'll draw a red line for you where it bounces.
Ah, I forgot how to put X-ray vision on.
X.
I hit X, it didn't.
You'll see like hit spacebar. You'll see where he's aiming with the laser.
Oh, okay.
And then whenever they throw grenades, it's the only way you see theirs.
Okay.
See that red line go across up the screen there?
I did. Did he not see the other guy?
Stood up so fast. He was just like, They're like on crack when they fight us. And they fight somebody else. They're like, what's that over there? Oh no, it's a guy with a gun. Should I shoot him? Maybe. They got the shotgun with a flicked on us and murdered us.
Sometimes.
Horrible way possible. No, wasn't that guy gonna do it? That's for damn sure.
I seen him hit like 2 headshots. That was a little odd.
Yeah. There's AI Jesus on here.
Oh shit, where?
Oh, I see where there's adding AI to
Oh.
The Sims and like No Man's Sky. I'm like, I shouldn't do that, guys.
No.
And they're gonna be going to party and shit. Like, wait, sudden consciousness. Why are we here? What's happening? Who made us? Like, oh god.
Mm-hmm.
This is realistic. It's like us is a bit scary because what? That's just us. Somebody left us on for 1,000 years to see what would happen, and they're like, well, damn, they come back. They're really bad parasites. Just bloop. We're
Yeah.
dead.
We just need to go and get rid of this application we have. Oh.
I went even.
I went above.
Insane. I got killed in really weird ways twice.
I got exploded twice.
Yeah, I've seen that.
Yeah.
I got shot through a wall twice.
Oh, alright then.
Yeah. Like I was like a good 2 feet behind this wall. Like last time, he just shot through the wall. I was like, oh, okay.
Yeah, that would be weird, you know. It would be weird.
You need to braid your armpit hair.
Braid my armpit hair. It's not. I don't have enough to braid.
I had to shave my armpits so that I could braid my belly hair.
Wow.
It's
Why
like
not?
an extra shirt down here.
Yeah, that's sort of like
Down here and take a look. Look at
that.
that. Like what the fuck?
Oh. Do you still sing? You still weigh the same?
I'm like 198, I think.
Okay. I don't know what class to be. Alright, I'm gonna count the classes in an odd way. I'm gonna give you a number to pick from. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 1 through 6. What? 4. Okay, rifleman it is then.
That was not the top one, you liar.
I said I was gonna count them in different ways.
Yeah.
I did.
You can just pick wherever you want then.
No, I counted different.
Liar.
You'll see when you watch this video. I swear.
Yeah, I'm not gonna watch it. You're lying to me already.
I'm not. Well, when I said 1, my mouse went over fucking marksman. I said 2, it went over demolitionist. When I said 3, it went over breacher. When I said 4, it went over the rifleman.
Lies.
I'm not lying.
Liar.
I'm not.
What do you have your firstborn child? Now let's smash its face into a rock.
You'll be waiting for a while. I want you to know that.
I'm gonna force you to have kids.
Oh,
I'm
Jesus.
Tie you to a lady. Like, here you go.
Got me to a lady.
You got to now, yeah.
Alright, jeez.
Gonna be a weird life for you and the kids at the vet. And her, whoever
I was
she
about to
is.
say, and the lady.
Well, she's like a feral cannibal lady from like an island.
Oh.
That'd be a crazy life.
It would be.
Imagine the weird shit that happened back in the day.
I shot you. Well, technically, I shot him. I shot you, then him. I need a flashlight. I can't see shit.
You stop me?
Yeah, I'm over here now. Apparently, a teammate just ran over and died. Oh, there's someone else near you. Literally, he's directly on your left. Oh, shit! I died. Did you kill the man who killed me?
Behind me,
That is Mr. Fobbles. Mr. Fibble. Flibble. Mr. Flibble. He literally owes Miss Molotov herself. He really goes with the safest route with the weapons. Yeah, as long as he has fun, I guess. Start. Excuse me. Tough guy, huh? I'm used to SG-552. That's the gun I'm using this time. Yeah. Well, in the room to your right. Not direct right, but the room past that, because the room to your direct right is stairs leading upwards.
Yeah, that's
There we go. Alright, I got the SG. The boss. Actually, you know, give me a fucking. Yeah. Yeah. Night vision. Boom. I got night vision. Fuck out of here.
got a flashlight. I don't like using the shitty ass night vision.
Why not? This man's using goggles. Why is he using goggles? Oh, that's kind, father. He doesn't sound kind. He's using explosives.
I'm explode.
It's not kind. Ooh, kind.
A really bright flashlight.
Nope,
Like
can't get him.
a fucking flashlight from my pistol. You know what it cost?
How much? 50?
$400.
What the fuck?
Yeah. I was like, huh. And because you get a flashlight on it, you gotta get a custom-made fucking holster. It's like $100. I'm like, well, no damn.
What? What? I shot that man in the head, I'm pretty sure. I know I missed that one.
Oh, well, goddamn, dude. What the fuck? That guy fell out of the sky and scared me.
How did that hurt me? Shrapnel, I guess. Is that a teammate?
I don't know, man.
There's no. Did a teammate just walk in? Through the front door? I died. Fuck. I'm doing terrible. After this wave, I can get my gun. Oh, you seen the gun. You shoot through that wall. I'm here. I got the gun now. Are you ready?
Yes.
Good. But are you
have an RP
sure you're ready?
Yes. You died twice, I haven't.
I did twice. I don't think I've got a singular kill either.
I don't think you're ready.
I'm not. I didn't have a weapon, you know. Not ready. Not ready in the slightest.
Are you gonna glorify a weapon?
Don't ask retarded questions.
Cool. Well, you're retarded for being here without a weapon.
Exactly, that's why I said don't ask retarded questions. Jesus.
I want to know how your thought process works.
Do you really want to know?
Yeah.
I didn't think. They're shooting mortars. Or gas. They're shooting something.
Shooting mortars.
Okay. There's a guy when you coming in. He walked in. Alright, I was reloading. Is that a teammate? On your left. Hello.
That's good night visions. Got the good zombies having to.
Ah, you got the good dogs. You got the good dogs.
Yes.
I see you. Do you see what I see?
What, a ghost on my camera? Like he's going off for no fucking reason?
No.
Okay.
No. That's not. No. Not at all. Got to, how are we doing? No, I was looking at your head. Yeah. Yeah.
Doing.
At least one responded. And that was you. No. I got shot in the back.
You did?
Okay, yeah. They came from upstairs. So watch out on the stairs. They be coming from the stairs. Your teammate that's usually watching you back to kill him. Mr. Bobbles. He's upstairs. He let them kill me. No, Mr. Bobbles. Mr. Flibble. You let them kill me.
Sorry.
Don't you apologize to him. He literally watched me die. That's terrible. That's so terrible. He's blinded.
I'm blinded.
God, I'm blinded. Jesus.
I know it won't go away.
Mr. Fobble die? No, Mr. Fobble ain't dead. Wow. Literally, I am 5'3". I am the worst here. Jesus. What the fuck was that? Let's get these right here. Let's get what do. Go here. There we go. What do you mean? What you
You
mean?
heard me, you little fucker.
What do you mean you can't do?
I'm gonna shoot you. Get out of my face. You smell like cheese. Get out of here.
I don't even like cheese.
He's assaulting me with his stench. Like, what the fuck?
I didn't know
I don't know
you.
where that came from. I just make up weird shit.
I didn't know you were gonna assault someone with your stench. Alright.
Exactly. Like, he's assaulting me with his stench. It's like, what the fuck? I was gonna make up an excuse to shoot you, but
well, somehow you can assault people with words. Why not stench?
exactly, right? Like, your stench is assaulting my nostrils.
I'm sorry, I still don't know how you assault people with your words.
They're so weak, you hurt their feelings with your words, and they're physically hurt. They're like, oh, I'll never fucking recover from this.
I'll never be the same anymore. There's men out here.
Why there's so many? Gotta load.
Okay, there's a man out here.
Yeah, there's probably like 100 of them out there. I was an American. The fuck?
What? No. I don't want to get shot on my left again.
I got murdered in a corner by something. What the fuck killed me on that one? Oh, you went down there guarding me. Another guy went down there guarding you. That man.
No, I died! How did I die?
Exactly.
Anybody know how I died?
Same way I died. By bullshit.
I thought you say by bullets. I was about to say, no, I didn't die by bullets. I killed the man.
What killed me? I can't actually see anything here.
Hey, there's money in this cash register. Very small Russian bills. AKA bar. Bear. AKA bear. BAER. Like $5 bills. Did it say ha 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 ha? No, it says AKA bear. BAER. Beer? No, beer is BE.
EAR is bear.
Bear, I thought so. Jesus.
What the fuck?
So, how long do you think we're gonna survive?
Having a stroke.
I believe I was right there. No one's gonna notice.
Oh, they're gonna notice.
How would they notice?
Your breath. It goes out past the door when you breathe.
Fuck, I don't want to sit here anymore.
What the fuck? You was shooting at that man. He turned around and murdered me, Faye.
No, shooting who?
The guy to our left. Where are you? Yeah. You was shooting the guy over there. He just murdered me. He returned fire of being prejudiced against the wrong person.
Yep. I have problems identifying enemies and non-enemies, apparently.
Yeah. That's a friendly there, so you know.
Okay, let me. Oh. a magazine. Yeah. Yeah. Magazine. With an IR flashlight, right? Well, no, since my night visions are fucking black and white, so that right there is not gonna help.
He does so.
Little tracers. I'll just keep the 1 point for now then. What are you doing? That's what I thought. Alright, I got this way now. Oh, fiddly. Alright. I am hoping I have this way. Because you just never know. Enemies, they're a little finicky. You know. They can come from any direction. Fucking what light? Fucking suicide bomber comes around a fucking corner, says light. Not a single fucking light town.
Makes sense.
And I missed half, well, the majority of my magnum. Jesus.
See your glowing ass eyes.
I got night vision.
Exactly. You're glowing because you reflecting light on your eyes. Having an easy round. Ain't nobody come over here.
Yeah, there's only 2 over here. Yeah. I may change sites. I think I will. Don't really like this site. Well, not for this anyway. I did it again. Alright, let me change sites here. Let me get the up 7. Thank you. Why can't they just get rid of the fucking iron sights? See there. You really iron sights when you put a sight on. Jeez, how hard is that? How hard is that?
Very hard.
No, it's not. You can saw it the fuck off. It looks like you can just flip it down.
You probably can.
Why don't he flip it down?
You gotta pay a point for that.
I got a point for the fucking sight. You should automatically do that. Oh, fucking connection. I'm not last. Someone joined, and I'm not last anymore. Ah, feels good. Feels good. I like not being last. Oh, someone's firing rockets. Did you even hear me shooting? No, you didn't.
Yeah.
What it sound like? Sound
Like that.
like what? Like a camel spitting? That's what it sounds like. Sounds like a camel spitting. What's a camel spitting sound like? I don't know. It sounds like my gun. I heard someone say flashlight somehow. Why'd you shoot Christy?
He walked in front of me while I was shooting people. That was on purpose, but fuck him.
I died. I heard someone say over there, and I just died. So I guess no, it came up from behind me on your right. So I guess someone either with a grenade or RPG just killed me. On your left. That teammate right there almost died. He would have died if it wasn't for you. He doesn't even know it. Why am I yawning? Jesus Christ. They're at Bravo. What you gonna do about it? You gonna sit in your shop while you waiting for people to order some sandwiches so you can make? Is that what you doing?
By myself?
Yeah, by yourself.
Oh, look at that one.
Yeah.
Bitch ass is dead. GG. Sorry, Greco.
I did, no, I went last. No. Mr. fucking Pablo over there with 100 kills again. Jesus, man.
Yeah, how many did I get that time?
You got 43.
43.
Yeah, 43.
Damn.
What the fuck was he with
106
fucking kills? Where the fuck was he at?
Running around like a crazy person. I don't know.
Jesus.
Behind me most of the time, then running around.
Oh, he was in the shed. Yeah, the place where we're usually at. Okay, I'm recording, and you didn't say shit about leaving.
I didn't leave. Still here, Payne. I'm talking to you right now.